بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, my students. How are you, students? How are your parents? I hope you all are enjoying your vacations. But my dear students, don't waste your time. Do your school work in home. Okay, students? My little students, let's start our work today. Today's our activity is about count and write. Count and write. Before starting this activity, I want to say that you should do practice of counting in home by counting different things in your home. Go to your kitchen, count the glasses, cups, plates, spoons, matchboxes. Okay, students? Okay, students. Now, you can also count the peas by peeling them. So, like this, you can practice your counting as well as you can help your mama too. Okay, students? Now, look at you will do like this.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Good. You will do practice of counting like this also. Okay, my dear students, now take out your maths book. Open page number 5. Open page number 5. Take out page number 5. Yes, open page number 5. Our topic is count and write. Topic is count and write. And the question is color, count and write in the box. Okay, students, you will count the pictures. First you will count these all pictures. Okay, then you will write the answer in this box. That how many ducks you have, then you will write the answer here. How many ice creams are here, you will write the answer here. How many starfish are here, you will write the answer in this box. Good. Okay, students, now let's start to count the ducks. Look at these ducks. So smiley, smiley ducks are here. Yes. Now let's start to count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ducks we have? We have 8 ducks. How many ducks? 8 ducks. So you will write it in this box. Here you will write 8. We have 8 ducks, so we will write the answer here in this box. Good. Okay, now we will count the ice creams. So yummy, yummy ice creams are here. Students, count the ice cream with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ice creams we have? 6 ice creams. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ice creams. So we will write the answer in this box. Okay? We will write 6 in this box. Students, you write 6 in the box? Yes, good. Okay, now let's start to count the starfish from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 starfish. Okay, so how many starfish we have? 9 starfish. Now write 9 in this box. Where you will write? Here. In this box you will write 9. What will you write? 9. We have 9 starfish. Okay. Okay, students. Now you write 9 here. Yes, good. Okay, students. Now your question is color, count, and write in the box. So you count the pictures and you also write the numbers in the boxes. Okay, now it's the turn of coloring. You will take out your colors and give beautiful color to the pictures. Okay, you will give beautiful color to the ducks, to the ice cream, to the starfish. Okay, then take the picture of your this page number 5, and send it to your teacher on WhatsApp. Okay, students, take care of yourself and also take care of your mama and papa, and also help them in your also help them in home. Okay, students, and don't waste your time and do your work properly. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.